Okay, so today we're going to be understanding mutually exclusive events. To start us off, let's do there are 6 sides of a dice. Okay, so let's say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in this case we have 2 events. So throwing the dice once and then throwing the dice a second time. For instance, let's say that we have probability that the first throw is going to be an even and the second throw is going to be an odd. We would consider these as being mutually exclusive because when you throw, it can either only be either an even or an odd number. So if it's even, it can't be odd, and if it's odd, it can't be even. So it's said to be mutually exclusive. Okay, so it's either one or the other. Let's move this up a bit now so you can see. Alright, let's say we did another experiment or another probability. Let's say for this time we thought, okay, this would be odd, and this one would be less than 4. Would these be mutually exclusive? Let's work it out. So in this case, what we're saying is that if we were to roll let's say a 3, so up here we were to roll a 3. What we're saying here is that it is both odd, and because the 3 is less than 4, it can also be less than 4. So it falls in both categories. So this is said not to be mutually exclusive. So not mutual. Exclusive. Okay. Let's have a look. If we had, again we had our 6-piece dice, so here's my groovy little drawing, 2, 3, and so on. So it's actually got 6 sides, 1 to 6. Have a look. If I was looking to roll, my first roll I was looking for an even. And the second roll, that's first, this is second, and I was looking for, say, numbers between 2 and 5. What combination could we have? What would it mean if we were to roll 4? Work out whether that's exclusive, so mutually exclusive, or non-mutually exclusive.